Hey, welcome to an episode of In the Kitchen with the Pastor's Pantry. I'm Chef and Pastor Sam Peters. Joyce is on the back side of the camera. We're going to do a whole lot more RV and camping type videos and a lot of great recipes that you can do outdoors and still eat great, not just hamburgers and hot dogs, and have a great meal and be outdoors. So what we've got going on tonight, we're going to do a little Cajun shrimp recipe for you. Super simple, okay? So I've got some butter. Maybe a couple of tablespoons of butter going in there. And we've got about 2 pounds of peeled, deveined, and tails removed shrimp, okay? So let me kind of get this butter slathered around here first. And we're gonna put I'm gonna try to get all of this shrimp in the pan at one time. So we're doing a simple Cajun shrimp menu tonight for us. This is dinner for us. And again, you all know that whenever we do In the Kitchen with Pastor's Pantry, it's always, like typically meals for two, something we're doing for one another. And that's kind of what we're doing tonight. And it's just some of the stuff that we brought with us while we were camping. So we had a couple pounds of shrimp.
Oh yeah, everybody brings shrimp.
Well, sure, but we happen to have a class where we had shrimp and we didn't need it all. So here we go. We have some shrimp. So I've got that butter in there. So that's cooking around. We're gonna hit that with our Heat Nick Red Cajun rub. And by the way, this is not a super hot, spicy rub. A lot of people think it is. My pork rub's actually hotter than this. This just has lots of herbs and spices. It'd be great if I opened it.
It's brand new.
It's a brand new container. You too could be a chef on YouTube.
So this camping trip, the whole trip, everything we've opened has been
Everything's
brand new,
right?
And I told Sam, I said, I hate to be those brand new people that are newbies, that we have to open everything brand new, because we really do know what we're doing. We've had an RV before.
We really do.
We've had one in the past, but we had to buy a lot of things brand new. So that's us. Don't tell anybody.
So it only takes about maybe 5 minutes for the shrimp to get done. And so I'm just taking some little lettuce leaves and putting those out here on the plate, because we still want it to be pretty. Again, you do not have to eat just hamburgers and hot dogs when you're camping. You can kind of eat gourmet food too.
And I'm so hungry right now.
We're both hungry. We spent the day on the boat today.
It was horrible. We caught no fish.
It wasn't horrible. We were with one another.
We were with one another. And because of our grandson, Lakin, we love Lakin. We love all of our grandchildren. But because of Lakin, I got an umbrella on the boat. So when it's hot on the boat, Grandma's covered in the shade.
Grandma gets some shade. See? Grandma was happy. If Grandma's happy, everybody's
Grandpa
happy.
also took advantage of it.
For a little while. Yes, I did.
So it was wonderful.
So again, I'm just putting several leaves of this lettuce on here. And this is just going to make a bed for our shrimps. Okay? We've got that going on. Toss these around a little bit until they get nice and pink. So we got a good amount of heat going on there. Meanwhile, I'm also going to cut up some squash and some onion. All right, we're going to have that with these. So I just want slices of the onion. So we've got some red onion here. Oop. Fell apart on me. So we've got some red onion we're going to throw in there. A little bit of squash. Again, we just went in the fridge and what do we have we could make for dinner tonight?
Well, what needs to be used? And
Yeah.
So here's some of the stuff that we love at our campsite, and we thank our children for giving us this. We've got this propane fire pit that we saw on a review for YouTube, and we've got this propane tank cover, basically, fire bowl cover, that serves as a table. And oh my gosh, we absolutely love it. This fire pit, you don't have to worry about it. If it's raining, you can still have a fire. You don't have to sit in the grass. All you got to do is turn the knob, click a fire starter, and you are good to go.
It is a tremendous little tool. We love it. So on our shrimps, what we're looking for on the shrimp is we want to get a nice pink color. And once it's pink, we know it's ready. It's kind of built-in thermostat. So it's gonna take 3 to 5 minutes. And again, all we did was put some of our Cajun rub on there. Put some of the Cajun rub on there and some butter. It's kind of amazing, like those people that just moved out, we got new people moving in.
Like immediately.
Yeah. Amazing. So I'm just using my knife to stir this so I don't have any more.
Because I gave him no utensils.
Yeah, that's right, but I don't want any more shrimp to escape.
But we're camping, so you know, you go with what you got.
Yeah. So these are just about done.
Do I need to get you a spoon?
Nope. I'm gonna just kind of slather it all right into there.
Even with the liquid?
Yep.
Okay.
Even with the liquid. So these are just about done. But again, you can eat really, really well in camp. And so that's what we're going to be putting these out on our YouTube channel. We have a Pastor's Pantry YouTube channel as well that you can go check out. But all we're doing right now is just cooking this up in a little bit of butter and a little bit of Cajun rub, and that's it. Okay? And then we're going to get...
So all the moisture from this is coming from the shrimp.
Absolutely.
And what was in the bag. We didn't put any lemon on it.
Yeah.
We didn't, nothing. We thawed these out. We actually bought these from Walmart. They are peeled, deveined, and tail off. So they
do we
are
have a slotted spoon?
ready to eat. Yes, we do.
Okay.
In the RV.
Okay, so tell me where it's at. I'll go get the slotted spoon.
Underneath the stove.
Because I think I want to keep the sauce.
Yes, because we're going to do the vegetables.
Vegetables, okay.
Yes. The cabinet underneath the stove. So, we're going to talk some more about this, but here's where we're at. We're at Greenbow Lodge, okay? Or not Greenbow Lodge, we're at Greenbow Campground. Gorgeous campground. There's a playground over there, but we got people coming in, getting set up. It is absolutely wonderful. We actually brought our boat down here. Did we catch anything? No.
We caught some bluegill.
We did catch some bluegill. We had a great time with Jesse and Ashley and Lakin. Memories are being made. So.
All right, so our shrimps are done. So I'm going to spoon those off onto our lettuce, and I'm going to keep this shrimp sauce in butter because we're going to cook our vegetables in that.
And if you didn't know already, Patter Fam has made a cocktail sauce that is in a bottle that you can now purchase.
You asked for it, we delivered. So we have, and that's a spicy cocktail sauce, y'all.
It is spicy
okay.
Because we love horseradish.
We do love horseradish.
Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. Y'all, I've been here in Ohio way too long. I'm gonna let these cool off just a bit and I'm gonna taste one for you. Oh, it's trying to get them all. One left. All right. I'm gonna sneak in here. I'm fearful. Ooh, they're hot.
They are hot. I just cooked them.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I know. We're both starving.
All right.
So now, I'm going to add a little bit more butter.
Really?
You know. But yeah, because, you know.
Man, that shrimp is good.
It's the spice.
Oh my gosh.
So we've got a little bit more butter melting in there. We have the shrimp juices and the butter sauce from before. We're going to throw in our squash and our onion.
And make it colorful, y'all. It's like, look at that purple
You
and the
eat your
yellow.
eyes first, man.
And again, he's got this green and all this shrimp. And this is good for you. This is healthy eating. If you didn't know that, there ain't nothing wrong with this. It's all healthy. And you can eat as much as you want.
Now, later for dessert, we're just doing strawberries and chocolate syrup. We have a homemade chocolate syrup that we made in a class
It's some
recently.
dark chocolate.
It's a dark chocolate syrup. And all it was, was a little bit of chocolate chips, some heavy cream, some vanilla, and some tequila. You know, hey. And so we cooked that up and made a tequila chocolate syrup. And so we've got some fresh strawberries for dessert. And so all I want to do is just saute these around. So I've already got some of that Cajun seasonings in there, so I don't even need to season it up anymore.
Okay, let me talk about this butane stove that we have right here. So we bought this butane stove and we use it in our classes. We use it everywhere. You can get them on Sam's Club. We actually got this one on Webstrunt. If you need the information for this stove, just let us know. But it is absolutely amazing.
If you do a lot of camping,
okay,
and your job is to be doing the cooking,
so
you're going to want some of
we
this.
also have this little fancy table here, and it didn't even set up all the way. It's got shelves that go on it and all that kind of stuff. We're only here for a couple days, so we didn't set all this stuff up. But if you need this information, just let me know. I'll let you know where it came all from. He's going to put some more lettuce on this
And again,
plate.
on our YouTube channel, we'll put all this information in the comments section so that you will be able to follow along and get all this kind of stuff. So we'll put all that in there. So I'll edit this down and put it out on YouTube, and you'll be able to get all this kind of information.
I hope y'all can hear us all. I know Sam is on the other side of the camera, but hopefully he's talking loud enough.
I'm trying.
Oh, and these pans that we just bought that we're using, they're Calphalon. It's what we use.
Of course.
It's what we use
That's all
in
we ever
the
use.
kitchen.
Now, Calphalon doesn't pay us to do that.
No.
But if they'd like to, we would take it. Okay? We love our Calphalon. We have several sets of Calphalon. Our kids have several sets of Calphalon.
Oh yeah, because we hate going to their house and not cooking with Calphalon. Just saying.
Exactly.
Just
I mean,
saying.
you know, if we're using it, it's industrial strength, y'all.
We
know
love
it's
it.
good.
So we bought brand new for the RV.
So what you want on your vegetables, you want them to be heated all the way through, but still crisp, okay? Best way to check that?
It's hot.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Bellissimo. Here we go, y'all. There it is.
Oh, look at that.
Cajun shrimp, sauteed squash and onion with just butter and a little bit of our Heat Nick Red Cajun rub. Fantastic stuff. Y'all check it out. Follow us on YouTube. We're going to be doing a lot more of these camping videos now that we have an RV and we're out on the road. So if you love to camp and you love to eat well, check us out on YouTube, y'all. Blessed cooking to you.